The figure shows the graph of a function h. The inflection points, and if you're like, what the heck's an inflection point? An inflection point is if you have a graph, an inflection point is where that graph changes concavity. So you're concave up, you're concave down, and you're where it changes from up to down. Or vice versa, it could change from down to up. Doesn't really matter. I just drew this picture because it looks like that. And extrema, and if you're like, what the heck's the extrema? Well, an extrema is the very maximum of an area or the very minimum of an area, depending on which one. Extrema is just fancy like extreme. Anyway, the inflection points and extrema for H are labeled. So you're an inflection point, you're an extrema. You're an inflection point, you're an extrema, you're an inflection point. Let A, B, C, D, E represent the x coordinates at those points. Got it. Of the following, on which interval is h decreasing and the graph of h concave down? Well, first off, decreasing is where anywhere on the graph it's going down and to the right. Now, it could look like this, it could look like this, it could look like this. All of those are going down and to the right. You are decreasing here, and you are decreasing here. You are increasing from B to D, so that's not going to be an option. Anything from B to D is not going to be an option. Also, it's concave down. Now, concave down look a little something like this. And in this case, the only part that looks a little something like that is from C to E, and maybe forever on after that. Look at that perfect line that I drew. Now, in this case, the area that fits both criteria is going to be from D to E. D to E is decreasing, D to E is concave down, so D to E is decreasing and concave down. It's like that Taco Bell and Pizza Hut song. I don't know. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.